So I wanted to come on before I start the video today and just kind of give you a little bit of a life update. Sorry. So I just wanted to give you a bit of an update of what's been going on this past week for me. A week ago today, my dad passed away, and I can truthfully say this has been the hardest thing I've ever been through in my life. Sorry, I was trying to psych myself out for doing this part of the video before I came on camera. I knew I would, get a little bit emotional, but this is just really hard. I don't think you're ever, truly prepared for a death. And, my dad and I, we had a bit of a rocky road, and things weren't always easy for us. So I think that just makes it especially hard. And I contemplated whether even to do a video today. I didn't want to be one of those, YouTubers that comes on and, is crying and everything. I didn't want to be that person, but I just felt compelled to do this. And I just wanted to do something to remember him. And for me, doing these things, doing YouTube and just putting on makeup is very therapeutic for me. And I feel like I'm talking to friends when I chat with you guys. And it's so nice when I see all your comments, in the comment section below. And that means a lot to me. The video is just going to be a little bit different today. I just want, like I said, I wanted to come on camera and do this introduction before I get started. It's not going to be a talking video. I knew that my emotions would get the better of me, so I'm just going to do the makeup video, but I'm just going to do it to some music. I just want to thank all of my friends and family out there that have reached out this past week. It has meant a lot to me to know that there are so many people out there that care. So I thank you for that. I want to apologize a little bit to my other content creators. You know that I'm always there supporting your videos, and this week, if I didn't make it to seeing one of your videos, I apologize. It's just my head hasn't been in the game all week. But you know that I will catch up with you. That's just what I do. And what also makes it hard is not having been able to see him for quite some time. The last time I was able to see him was like last summer, so like 2019. And he would spend part of the year, the winters, he would spend them in another location, not in Canada. And with everything going on in the world right now, he wasn't able to make it back here at all through like the spring and the summertime like he usually does. So that was hard, not being able to see him. And the service is going to be just live streamed, which I'm thankful that at least there will be some type of closure, and hoping that next year we can have a celebration of life because he would really have wanted that. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's been going on, and if I haven't been on my other platforms, that's the reason for this week. In one of the last emails that I got from him, he had told me just to keep on going, because he could kind of sense, sometimes on this platform you get a little bit frustrated, and it's hard sometimes not seeing the growth that you're hoping for. And he just had said to me, which now just means so much. I have that email from him, and he just said, "Keep going, darling." So that's what I'm going to do. He would watch my videos, and what was so cute is that he would call them my makeup shows. So he just was such a special person, and He was larger than life, and I really did think he was invincible. He always had me convinced that I would always see him again. But that's the thing with death, right? It's so sudden sometimes, and you're not prepared for it. So I don't want this to be too long, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone and to Dad. I know you're watching, and this makeup show is a tribute to you.